Did you know that every morning and every evening the Prophet ﷺ actually asked Allah, he made a dua to Allah to protect him from depression and anxiety? And he taught us to do the same every single day. Once he saw a man who was sad and anxious, and he told him, "Shall I not teach you something that if you say it, Allah will remove your worry and relieve your debt?" And the man said, "Of course, yes, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam." And the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "Say this every morning and every evening, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-hammi wal-hazan, wa a'udhu bika min al-ajzi wal-kasal, wa a'udhu bika min al-jubni wal-bukhl, wa a'udhu bika min ghalabat ad-dayn wa kahr ar-rijal."